Check out the Off-White X Nike Air Presto in white colorway, one of the freshest drops from Virgil Abloh's iconic The 10 collection. These kicks are fire, combining a deconstructed aesthetic with top-tier comfort and cushioning that the original Air Presto is famous for. Currently, the resale price for these bad boys is over a rack. Yep, more than $1,000. But you can snag them for a steal at kickwho.cc. Use the discount code DECENT20 to get an extra $10 off. Don't sleep on this deal. Grab your pair and flex with confidence. The Off-White X Nike Air Presto in white features a clean, monochromatic look with a tonal swoosh, exposed foam details, and that signature red zip tie. The AIR branding on the heel strap and Virgil's unique touches make these sneakers a standout in any collection. The mesh upper ensures breathability, while the cushioned midsole offers that t-shirt-like comfort Presto fans love. These kicks aren't just about the hype. They deliver serious comfort. The air cushioning in the sole provides excellent support, making them perfect for all-day wear, whether you're hitting the streets or just chilling. Get yours now from kickwho.cc and step up your sneaker game.